Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiki Well with Byrem House. I'm coming to you guys with another crochet install video. If you want to see how I achieve these looks, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and Happy New Year 2022. I got some hair from some beautiful people on Amazon, which I'm going to share later. But hey, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to get my cornrow done. And for time's sake, I'm going to do the cornrow off camera. So keep watching. I'm going to come back, show you how my cornrow looks, and we're going to install the hair. So I have braided my hair, done my cornrows again. I said I was going to do a video on how to do cornrows. Honey, I haven't gotten to that yet. I will get to it. But you know, we pat in the middle, we braid one side and one side. So this is 5 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We made a fork out of the middle ones. The pat is almost to the middle here, and I think it's good enough for this style. Okay, so of course I took each section and braided a single braid with this side, a single braid with this side, and tucked it in. Now let's talk about the hair. Today's video is sponsored by Fayasu hair. They're on Amazon. I'm sure they're based out of somewhere else, but they are on Amazon. You can purchase this hair from Amazon. So shout out to Fayasu hair, and thank you for sponsoring this video. So this, I got this in the mail. I haven't done my hair for about 2 months because I was out away for work for about a month from my house, and I came home and I found this in the mail. So this is, you know, the Goddess Braid crochet hair. Okay, Goddess Braid crochet hair, and a total of 8 packs. Okay, and this is what the bundles look like. This is what the packs look like. They come like this, of course, sealed and everything. But in that pack, you have this bundle. See, the bundle is 14 inches long, and this is in the color 1B, which is what I think they mostly sell. It's 1B. And of course, I've done the goddess lock style before, but this is the braid style. Go check out my other videos to see the goddess lock style. Okay guys, and there's 16 in each bundle, so 16 hair pieces in each bundle. 16 by 8, that's plenty. That's over 100 pieces. That's plenty. So you know I like full hair. I like a lot of hair. Yes, I like a lot of hair. So of course I'm going to be putting until I'm satisfied. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start crocheting my hair, and I will be right back to show you guys how I'm doing and how it's going and what I think about the hair. Most of the time I only come back and just show you how I install it. It's pretty simple. If you've been watching my videos, you know how to install your own hair by now. Okay, so you know this hair, I think it's going to be very easy to install, very simple. So hey, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Join this family, girls. Join this family, girls. Okay, let's stay pretty together. Hey girls, so I have done at least half of my hair, and this is how far I have gone. Okay, so what I did, since I have 8 packs and I feel like, you know, there's no way for me to go somewhere, you know, go out like to a local beauty supply and just buy it. It's online, Amazon, so it might take a day or 2 before it gets to me. I have to be smart about the installation. Okay, so what I did was I started out with the pad that I most prefer, which is this pad, and I kind of did the install here and made it as close as I wanted it to be. You know, so then everything else will just have to fall where it falls. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna focus too much on installing the rest, because this is the most important part, because this is what most people see. And I started with that because it needs enough hair. I didn't want to install my whole hair, then I don't have enough, that I'm rushing, you know, or trying to take it out from somewhere to put it here. We started out installing that. Hey girls, so I'm almost done installing this crochet. I have left this open to show you guys how I crochet in this part, and I still have one pack, which is about 16 braids or 16 pieces left, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 braids left, or pieces left. So we're going to install here, and we're going to try to cover here. Okay, okay, so let's go ahead and install this part. Like these two cornrows are pretty big, so in order to fill up all the space here so it's not so scanty looking, we want to install on both sides, okay? And we don't go under the cornrow because see, that cornrow is too big and the spaces there are too wide. We don't go under. If not, we don't fully fill it in. I go in the middle here of the corner and kind of just find, you know, that opening there. And sometimes it's easy to get it, but when you're at the top of your hair, then you can't see what you're doing. It's tougher. When you're doing other people's hair, you know how to just get in there easily. Okay, get the pin in there. So I do that. I'm coming in from this side this time, and I just hook it in and pull it. Okay. Sometimes it's tougher to just pull. Feel some kind of a resistance there. And then I install because this already has a loop. And I pull. Okay. And when I do, I'm mindful of that little hair that's hanging there. So we want to pull that through as well. Okay. As smoothly as possible so we don't mess it up. Okay. So now that time we came in from this side. This time, instead of going in like so, I'm gonna go in like so. Okay, and then I'm just gonna find the opening there and go in like so. Instead of going under, I go through the top of it, the braid, and then I'm going to, of course, hook my hair and pull through, and that's it. And so that's how I installed the two big middle cornrows in order to keep it, you know, full and not look scanty and cover all those spaces. Okay, it's tougher to cover the spaces with braided hair or with a braided look or with a lock look, and that's usually what I do. Now I'm not going to finish that on camera because I still have this to finish as well. Okay, to install here, so normally I would go in from this angle, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I switched it and I will go in from this angle. Even though it's going to fall on this side, I came in with up from that side, okay, which is not what I usually do when I install my hair, but I just didn't like the way the hair was looking from the other side. Okay, so this is what I did. Came in from this other side and hooked it on, of course, pulled it through because it already has a loop. I don't even have to do two loops. I just do one, open that loop and send the hair right through it. Okay, and you pull. Okay, when you pull it, you've installed it, and this is how it would look. Sit like so. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to finish installing the rest of my hair off camera, and I'll be right back to show you all the final look. Hey girls, so this is my completed look for this crochet style. I am loving it. Okay, I have every piece of that hair in my head. Yes, 8 packs, 8 times 16, however many that is. It's on my head right now. Okay, and I love it. You guys know I love a lot of hair. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love a lot of hair. And this is everything. This is my pat. I'm loving it. Now I'm going to turn for y'all to see the back. I have not seen the back personally, but that's what the back looks like. But for me, I think I'm going to wear it a lot from this angle. You know, I think I'm going to wear it more so like so. Okay, this is like a false pat. I have another pat here that I could wear it, but I think I'm going to wear it on this side because this is the side of my face that I really like. You guys know that. Everybody has the part of their face that they just really like, and this is mine. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Goddess Braids Crochet Hair by Fayasu Hair Store. They're on Amazon, guys. I'm gonna link their store in the description. Check them out. This was only about $36 something for 8 packs, a full head of hair. Yes, to look like this for $36. Yes, honey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join this family, girls. Bye.